Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because people misunderstood Krishna, Krishna asked in the Bhagavad-gita that he surrender unto him. What can he do? He is God, he is Krishna. Then he asks you, orders you, you surrender. I take charge of you. Aham tva sarva. But still people misunderstand. Oh, why shall I surrender to Krishna? He is also a man like me, maybe a little important, but why shall I surrender to him? Because here the material disease is not to surrender. Everyone is puffed up. I am something. This is material disease. Therefore, to become cured from this material disease, you have to surrender. Tad vidhi panipatena pariprasnena sivaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshan. So, unless you are prepared to surrender, that is a great difficult job for the materialistic person. Nobody wants to surrender. He wants to compete, individually, person to person, family to family, nation to nation. Everyone is trying to become the master. So where is the question of surrendering? There is no question of surrender. This is the disease. Therefore, Krishna demands that to cure this rascaldom or must chronic disease, you surrender. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja. If I surrender, then the whole thing will be failure. My business, my plans, my so many things. No, I take charge. I take charge of you. Aham tva sarva pape bhamokkhasan. Masusha. Don't be worried. So much assurance is there. Still you are not prepared to surrender. This is our material disease. Therefore, Krishna came again as a devotee, just to show how to surrender to Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna Varnam Krishna Krishnam Sangapanga Supada. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is very scientific and authorized. It is not a bogus thing, something manufactured by concoction of the mind. It is authorized. Based on the Vedic instruction, as Krishna says, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. So we teach only this philosophy. That is Krishna, here is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God. You are searching after God. You cannot understand what is God. Here is God, Krishna. His name, His activities, everything is there in the Bhagavad-gita. You accept and surrender unto Him. And as Krishna says, Manvana bhavamad bhakta madhyani namaskuru. So we are speaking the same thing as it is stated in the Bhagavad-gita. We don't misinterpret. We don't spoil the whole Bhagavad-gita. We don't do this mischief. Sometimes people, they say, Swamiji, you have done wonderful. What wonderful? I am not a magician. My only credit is I have not spoiled the Bhagavad-gita. I have presented as it is. Therefore it is successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Krishna